Have you ever written CSS styles that just don't seem to apply? CSS specificity determines which styles take priority when multiple rules target the same element. It follows a scoring system where different types of selectors have different weights. The browser uses this to decide which styles apply. Each CSS selector type has a numeric weight. Inline styles 1000 score, ID selector 100 score, class, attribute, pseudo-class 10 score, element, and pseudo-element 1 score. The higher the score, the more priority the rule has. For example, if we apply these styles to an H1 with a class and an ID, the color will be red because selector ID main title has the highest specificity, 100 score. Let's look into the common mistakes why your styles are overwritten. The P inside .card will be blue because .card P has a higher specificity, 11, than P alone, 1. The important rule overrides all specificity rules, except inline styles. Even if another selector has higher specificity, important will force red color. Avoid overusing important, as it can make debugging harder. If two selectors have the same specificity, the latest one in the CSS file will apply. How to fix specificity issues. Check styles in DevTools, see which styles are applied and which are crossed out.